Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to make iPhone silent without vibration. Here are some steps to make your iPhone silent without vibration. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Under the Ringtone and Alert section, tap on Haptics. Here, make sure it is set to Don't Play in Silent mode. Flip the Ring Silent switch on the side of your iPhone to Silent mode. Orange will show. Your iPhone is now silent without vibration when notifications or calls come in. That's how to make iPhone silent without vibration. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.